Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of supercars that you can snag for under $50,000 in 2025. Thanks to depreciation, these once out-of-reach cars are now more attainable than ever. I've scoured the internet and compiled a list of 5 supercars that offer the best bang for your buck in 2025. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling ride through the world of affordable supercars. First up, we have the 2015 Porsche Cayman. This beauty is a true driver's car, with a mid-engined layout, near-perfect weight distribution, and classic Porsche handling. You can find one of these bad boys for just under $50,000 in 2025. This car offers a driving experience that's arguably more engaging and pure than some of its more expensive siblings. The example we found has just 30,000 miles on the odometer, finished in a stunning shade of silver with a luxurious black leather interior. And let's not forget about that sweet flat 6 engine sound. Next up, we have a car that needs no introduction, the legendary Audi R8. This 2014 model is the epitome of an everyday supercar, offering blistering performance, head-turning looks, and a surprisingly comfortable ride. You can pick one up for around $48,000 in 2025. This particular RR8 is equipped with a potent V8 engine and quattro all-wheel drive system, making it perfect for year-round enjoyment. The interior is just as impressive, with luxurious leather seats and a driver-focused cockpit. If you're looking for a supercar with a bit more character and flair, look no further than the 2016 Jaguar F-Type. This British beauty is all about style, luxury, and that unmistakable Jaguar growl. For $49,500, it's a steal. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful V6 engine that delivers exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling soundtrack. This example has only 35,000 miles, finished in sleek black with a luxurious red leather interior. Now let's talk about a legend, the 2013 Nissan GT-R, affectionately known as Godzilla. This car is a technological marvel, with a twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers neck-snapping acceleration. You can find one for around $47,000 in 2025. Yes, this GT-R has seen a few miles, but with proper maintenance it can handle plenty more. The interior is surprisingly spacious and comfortable, packed with technology, including a large infotainment screen and premium sound system. Last but not least, we have the 2015 BMW i8. This futuristic supercar is a hybrid, combining a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with an electric motor for impressive performance and fuel efficiency. At just $49,000 in 2025, it's cheaper than a new Tesla. The i8 is a blast to drive, with instant torque from the electric motor and a sporty exhaust note from the gasoline engine. This particular i8 has only 25,000 miles, finished in a stunning shade of white with a luxurious black and blue interior. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible supercars that won't break the bank. Each of these cars offers a unique driving experience and a taste of the supercar lifestyle, all for less than the price of a new luxury sedan. With a little research and patience, you can find some amazing deals on the used market. Just remember to do your due diligence, get a pre-purchase inspection, and be prepared to handle a few repairs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing car content. See you next time.